My name is Ariel, and I am a mer doggy. And I just want to let everyone know that I love you very much. And I love my mommy, Rosemary, my daddy, Gary, my other daddy, Gregory, and all my aunts and uncles, and all my cousins and nieces and nephews. And I love all my neighbors, and I love all the neighbors' puppies, and all my friends' puppies, and I love all the kitty cats, Zorro, and Pumpkin, and Mickey Mouse, and Cinderella, and Snow White, and Robin Hood, and Peter Pan, and I love all the mermaids in the sea. And one more thing, I again love you.